Pick it up.
Slight chance of thunderstorms. Likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the mid-60s.
Good.
West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour.
We got 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. We have exactly 1 minute.
Chance of rain 60%.
But they could do it early.
Thursday night, cooler. Partly cloudy.
I'll do that.
Lows in the upper 30s.
Bye-bye.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Friday and Friday night, clear.
It's approaching.
Highs in the lower 50s.
We are not dusting.
Lows in the upper 20s. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly clear.
30 seconds.
Highs in the upper 40s. Lows in the upper 20s. Sunday through Monday night, clear.
I mean, they did it like 3 minutes early a few years ago.
Lows in the mid-20s.
I can't remember what year.
Tuesday and Tuesday night, mostly clear.
The four corners. Four
Lows in the upper
corners.
20s. For more detailed weather.
It is 11:30 at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's 11:30 now. All I have to do is wait.
The current time is 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard
All I
Time.
have to do is wait now.
Here are the 11 a.m. weather observations from around the
Could happen
area.
at any second.
In Gainesville, it was perfect.
We're turning it on. Here, press that button right there on the monitor.
Dew point 35 degrees. Relative humidity 45%.
Yay!
Winds at 7 miles an hour.
Any second now.
0.07 inches and steady.
We're ready.
In Jefferson, it was mostly sunny and 54. Winds
When that's
at
on my
7.
account though.
At Jasper, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 56.
Hi guys.
In Monroe, it was mostly sunny. The temperature.
Here we go. Look at it. Here we go.
Weather Service emergency warning system at Cleveland. WXAC. This test was conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch for warning.
Hold
Reception
on.
of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in
Isn't that
perfect
long?
working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Cleveland listening area: Banks, Durham, Cherokee, Clark, Dawson, Forsyth, Franklin, Gwinnett, Habersham, Hall, Hart,
I like that
Jackson,
one, too.
Lufkin, Madison, Oconee, Bacon, Stevens,
This one right here.
Walton, and White. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
The 3 EOMs.
Beep, 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 beep.
They're
Is this dangerous?
Here are